I drove my tractor through a haystack last night. I threw me a pitchfork at your dog to keep quiet. Now something's telling me that you're avoiding me. Come on now, darling, you got something I need. 'Cause I got a brand new combine harvester, and I'll give you the key. Come on now, let's get together in perfect harmony. Oh, I got 20 acres and I got 43. Now I've got a brand new combine harvester, and I'll give you the key. She made I laugh. I'll stick by you, I'll give you all that you need. We'll have twins and triplets, I'm a man built for speed. And you know I love you, darling, so give me your hand. But the thing I want the most is all the acres of land. 'Cause I got a brand new combine harvester, give you the key. Come on now, let's get together in perfect harmony. Oh, I got 20 acres and you got 43. Now I've got a brand new combine harvester, and I'll give you the key. She's a lovely bit of stuff, and all for 7 long years I've been alone in this place. Pigs sleep in the kitchen, it's a proper disgrace. Now if I cleaned it up, would you change your mind? I'll give up drinking Scrumpy and that lager and lime. 'Cause I've got a brand new combine harvester, and I'll give you the key. Come on now, let's get together in perfect harmony. Oh, I got 20 acres and you got 43. Now I've got a brand new combine harvester, and I'll give you the key. Who loves you, baby? When we're a grand couple at that last Wurzels dance. I wore brand new gaiters and made corduroy pants. In your new Sunday dress with your perfume smelling grand. We had our photos taken, us holding hands. Now I want a brand new combine harvester, and I'll give you the key. Now that we both passed our 50s, I think that you and me should stop this gallivanting. Will you marry me? 'Cause I've got a brand new combine harvester, and I'll give you the key. You're a fine-looking woman, and I can't wait to get my hands on you, Red.